Well, good evening, everyone. I hope you're enjoying those 40-degree temperatures we experienced across the area today, because temperatures are going to drop off over the next few hours across much of the area. Let's take a look at SkyTrack right now. We see skies starting to cloud up as clouds are moving in ahead of a system that's off to our southwest. Now, that system that you see right there, an area of low pressure moving our way, and it's going to bring us some accumulating snow as we go through the next few hours, the next 24 hours rather. Right now, we take a look at the winter weather alerts, and the counties in pink are under a winter storm warning. Now, that'll be going into effect tomorrow morning, and that'll last for about 24 hours into Thursday. That's because of the system that's moving our way that we're going to see some accumulating snow from. The counties in the purple color, a winter weather advisory going into effect for those counties, all because of that system moving into our area. Right now, temperatures still pretty warm, actually, in the mid 40s across much of the area, even a few upper 40s across some portions of the area. 46 right now in Charleston, 46 in Champaign, 48 down in Effingham, and 49 degrees right now in Robinson. As we're starting to see a little bit more of that cloud cover, we'll put Futurecast into motion and watch that system just approach us as we go through the evening hours tonight. By the time we get into the overnight hours, well, we'll start seeing some rain across the area as temperatures continue to drop down. This system actually pretty strong as well, an area of low pressure that'll move off to our southeast. So what we'll see mainly will be some snow, but we will see some rain first before that changes over. By the time we get into the morning hours, though, we'll see that change over. You see that line right there, that freezing line. Once temperatures drop into around freezing, we'll see that change over to snow for much of the area. And this system is very strong, so we are set to see some winds as well as we go through the next couple of days. So temperatures continue to drop off down to around freezing by the time we get through the overnight hours tonight. And then we'll put Futurecast into motion once again. We see this freezing line again that I mentioned continue to move out of our area as the day goes along, and temperatures just continue to keep dropping. We'll see that snow back further to the west, and eventually it'll take over all of the WEIU viewing area. So we will see those snow showers across the area for tomorrow. They'll continue to move out. Models have been going back and forth on how much snow we are expecting. A lot of it just depends on which way this system tracks. It could move just a little bit closer into our area instead of being so far off to our southeast. So if it does that, we could see a little bit more rain rather than snow. Right now, though, it's looking like up to 6 inches possible across much of the viewing area. So a snowy morning and afternoon in store for us tomorrow. Heavy at times. We'll see windy conditions, which means blowing and drifting is a possibility. Winds could gust as high as 45 miles an hour, especially tomorrow. So keep that in mind. Visibility could actually drop down to about a quarter of a mile as that happens. So as far as snow totals, we'll put Futurecast into motion once again. Here you see the heavier totals back to our west. The dark blue that affects much of the area that's back to the western half of the viewing area. It's around 4 to 6 inches. A few greater amounts could be possible here or there as we keep things back to the west. We'll see the system start to move out of our area as we progress through Wednesday evening and overnight into Thursday. That'll just continue to keep pushing off to our east and leave us with mostly cloudy conditions. So here's your temperatures. Temperatures staying right around freezing, not moving a whole lot as we progress through the next couple of days in the area. We'll see temperatures in the lower to mid 30s, rather, right around 34 for Friday as temperatures start bouncing back up. And then we're in for a little bit of a warm up as we go through the weekend. 46 for Saturday and back up hitting 50 one time in the 7-day forecast for the day on Sunday.